Hello friends, welcome to jQuery UI tutorial. In this video we will see how to handle the radio button state change event. Like checkbox in the previous subseries, we can use the change method to handle the state change event. So if you see in the jQuery side, right, we are making use of $this, right, and then we are writing the code, and here you can see for the radio button we are making call to the change method. A div tag is added to report the selected radio button, right, the same way we did in the previous subseries for checkbox. Here we have a dummy div placeholder just to report the selection change event. The change handler, in the change handler, selected radio button value is stored in a variable, right? So this is the change handler, and we know that this handler here is a common handler. Why? Because the selection rule here will select 3 radio buttons, right? Because we know that our form is having 3 radio button, and to know which radio button is firing this change event, we are making use of $this. So the $this will tell the current radio button that is firing this event, and .val will give the selected radio button, and we are storing that inside a variable, right? In the change handler, selected radio button value is stored in a variable. Here we are calling .val, right? Then we display that in the div class placeholder. So $result, here if you see id equal to result, so we are selecting that particular div tag, then we are making call to the text. After that we are stating selected color value we already retrieved, right? So that value we are appending here, so it will just show selected color is what. So far we used simple jQuery controls. In the next couple of subseries we will use some complex jQuery UI control. So in the last 3 subseries we used jQuery button, we used jQuery checkbox, and we used the jQuery radio buttons, right? So this gave you an idea of how we can convert the existing HTML tags into the jQuery enabled UI elements. And then if you see how we are accessing the functionality, right? Here we are accessing the change functionality because we already converted this radio button as a jQuery API radio button, right? All right, now let's go to the demo and finish this subseries. So we will copy our same example and paste here. So this is our second example, right? And here we are just going to handle the change event. Right? We just handle the change event and displaying the selected radio buttons. Let's see what mistake we are doing. Okay, what is missing is this div tag. So we need to add that div tag here. So outside the form, we will have the div tag and run this example. Right, that's all. So You can see how easily we are converting the HTML input controls into the jQuery UI enabled control, and then accessing the API functionality easily. So in the last 3 videos, you just saw some simple example. In the next two sub-series, we will see some complex example. And after that, we will show you how you can refer their API and try the examples yourself. It will be easy to follow after you complete this course. That's all here in this video. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.